Hello friends, I am Pratima. I welcome you all to my channel. I thank all the subscribers for supporting this channel. So today on the screen you may observe a question from JEE Main. It is based on algebra. The real numbers satisfy the equation alpha cube minus 3 alpha square plus 5 alpha minus 17 equals to 0. Another equation is beta cube minus 3 beta square minus plus 5 beta plus 11 equals to 0. Find alpha plus beta. So let's proceed. So I don't claim this is the only method, but I feel this is the short and easy method. What's it? Let's add these two equations. Get alpha cube plus beta cube minus 3 alpha square minus 3 beta square plus 5 alpha plus 5 beta minus 17 plus 11 equals to 0. Or it can be written as alpha cube plus beta cube minus 3 taking common alpha square plus beta square plus 5 taking common alpha plus beta minus 17 plus, that will be minus 6 equals to 0. Now alpha cube plus beta cube equals to alpha plus beta whole cube minus 3 alpha beta within alpha plus beta, and alpha square plus beta square equals to alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. Substituting in the equation, we'll get alpha plus beta whole cube plus 3 alpha beta minus 3 into alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta plus 5 into alpha plus beta minus 6 equals to 0. Alpha plus beta whole cube minus 3 alpha plus beta. Here I am multiplying. This will be minus 3 alpha plus beta whole square plus 6 alpha beta plus 5 alpha plus beta. 6 is 0. Now putting them alpha plus beta whole cube minus 3 alpha plus beta whole square plus 5 alpha plus beta 3 alpha plus beta minus 6 plus 6 alpha beta equals to 0. The first not first two, I am taking as it is 3 alpha plus beta whole square, and here I'm taking alpha plus beta common from and fourth term, getting 5 minus 3 alpha beta, and here I'm taking minus 2 common, so I'm getting 3 minus 3 alpha beta equals to 0. So we have to find alpha plus beta, so let alpha plus beta equals to C, and 3 minus 3 alpha beta equals to D, or it is K. Then I am getting C cube minus 3C square plus C into, when 3 minus 3 alpha beta is K, so this one will be C into K plus 2 minus twice K equals to 0. This is a cubic equation. So applying the factor theorem, get C equals to 2, because 2 cube minus 3 into 2 square plus 2 into K plus 2 minus 2K equals to 8 minus 12 plus 2K plus 4 minus 2K equals to 0. So C minus 2 is a factor. The other factor is C cube minus 3C square plus C K plus 2 minus 2K divided by C minus 2. We get C square minus C plus K. So making C square minus C plus K equals to 0, we won't get any real solutions, because C is your alpha plus beta and K equals to 3 minus alpha beta, 3 minus 3 alpha beta. So we'll put here alpha plus beta square minus alpha plus beta plus 3 minus 3 alpha beta equals to 0. This gives us complex root. So ultimate solution is your alpha plus beta equals to C, that is 2. So this is the answer. Thank you for watching.